We've cataloged the governor's impressive formal powers. Now for the crucial reality check. Those powers substantially overstate the control any California governor can actually exercise. Understanding this gap is the key to understanding California's executive branch. Consider everything that limits the governor. The independently elected constitutional officers answer to voters, not the governor. Civil service protections shield the vast majority of state employees from direct gubernatorial direction. Regulatory boards and commissions have members serving fixed terms with statutory authority the governor can't override. Voter-approved initiatives lock in policies and constrain fiscal flexibility. And the federal government is both a major funder and regulator across nearly every policy area. The governor sits atop this structure but cannot simply command it. The relationship with the legislature is an especially important constraint. The legislature holds full appropriations authority, can override vetoes with a two-thirds supermajority, and conducts vigorous oversight through hearings and audits. The annual budget deadline of June 15th creates a yearly pressure point where the governor's priorities and the legislature's must be reconciled. That hasn't always gone smoothly. In 2008, during the Great Recession, California went 85 days without a budget. A reform called Proposition 25 later lowered the budget passage threshold from two-thirds to a simple majority and penalized legislators who missed the deadline, which has reduced, though not eliminated, these impasses. So there's a recurring gap between what voters expect and what the office can deliver. Candidates campaign as if they'll comprehensively control state government. But the institutional reality is an executive branch that disperses authority among elected officers, independent agencies, and federal partners that no governor can fully orchestrate. How do successful governors handle this? The evidence suggests they don't try to govern across the entire breadth of state policy at once. Instead, they focus their political capital on a limited number of high-priority issues. They build cross-institutional coalitions that include the independently elected officers, federal agencies, and major interest groups, and they use the budget process as their primary instrument of policy direction. The governors who try to do everything everywhere typically find their authority diluted and their political capital exhausted faster than the system can sustain. The lesson is clear, and California's fragmented executive strategic focus beats raw ambition.